Tinea pedis, known as foot white glands, is caused by a fungus called dermatophytes. It's a very common foot infection. Skin fungus is especially common in swimming pools, sauna rooms, and bathhouses where people go barefoot, inside and outside, warm and humid like a facility. It is easily transmitted even through slippers from people with tinea pedis. Once infected, dermatomycetes are warm and moist, such as wet socks or shoes, grow rapidly in the environment. Symptoms include very severe itching, skin cracking between toes, blisters, and peeling. Be the rash and dandruff of the soles of the feet. In most cases, signs of infection are mainly found in the skin rake between toes. In addition, the infection spreads to the toenails, which thickens or has a murky yellow color. Once you get a tinea pedis, most of the time you go to a pharmacy and buy a tinea pedis ointment and apply it. Be prescribed oral medication. But if you go wrong, as recently announced, the ketoconazole in the drug tinea pedis, special care is required because the ingredients may cause side effects, such as the risk of liver damage. I know that ketoconazole is already banned, but for some reason, it's still completely remain in one's element. Then, can we get rid of tinea pedis with readily available natural materials? Tinea pedis is a type of fungus, so if it has an antifungal ingredient, it has an effect on tinea pedis. You might as well think that it represents. Garlic is also the most readily available anti-mold food. If you grind the garlic and mix it with coconut oil, it looks like a sticky sauce. You can apply it like that. The applied area feels a little tingling, but you don't have to worry about it usually disappearing over time. Another effect is the nano-silver chloride solution. If you spray it on the athlete's foot area, the athlete's foot bacteria, it's going to die. It also has quite a viral effect, so if you use it directly for viral warts, to be able to see the effect, there are also the following. It is easy to get, so if you use it, you can see the effect. Almond oil, lavender, peppermint, oregano, rosemary, tea tree oil, etc. It is important to note that you can use carrier oil, like coconut, to prevent tingling of your skin. Propolis is also excellent in anti-molding, so it can be used directly for the tinea pedis. If you have a low, you can use it by mixing it a little more. There's another excellent ingredient, castor oil. Undecylic acid is contained in castor oil. An athlete's foot. It kills pathogenic filamentous bacteria. Since ancient times, people in the East have a record of using castor oil for the prevention and treatment of tinea pedis. I am sure that I knew the effect from experience. Currently, it is widely used in pharmaceutical companies as a material for antifungal drugs. It also has a skin softening effect, so it goes into cosmetics. Castor oil is effective for hair and skin troubles, so there are a wide variety of folk remedies for hair and skin around the world. Be widely used for purposes. Never use corn flour if your feet are sweaty and your socks and shoes get wet. Because it is a good food for athlete's foot, you have to use caustic soda instead. In conclusion, just because the tinea pedis was removed from the hands and feet, problem is gone forever. You have to keep in mind that tinea pedis is not just in your feet or hands, because it means that mold-like candida yeast is lurking all over the body. Therefore, first, avoid the sugar that fungi like, and have a lot of beneficial bacteria in the intestines, fermented food, coconut oil, and a lifestyle that prefers antifungal foods like garlic. It needs to be secured, and furthermore, it needs antifungal supplements like olive leaf extract. By using it at the time, controlling fungi throughout the body must go hand in hand.